Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today I'm going to show you guys a very clean Cadillac 1428. Very clean machine. It's in very good condition, almost effortless movement. You have a DRO. You have a 5-seat collet closer. You got an 8-inch bison chuck, 3-jaw bison chuck with reversible jaws. You have a nice little steady rest, Jacobs chuck, tailstock. The ways are still in very good condition. The machine has been maintained very well. Electric brake. Machine does metric as well as standard threads. Grabbed on way too fast. All your feeds work perfectly fine. Your threading bar works fine. You got thread counter. If you have any questions, give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at machinestation.us. Thank you for watching.